Okay, the big reveal. Looks like my shot glass has broken. Ooh, I can see rubies. Now let's get the plate out, if I can, without spilling it all, and do the black light test. Okay, turn the light off, and oh, nice. Guys, we have rubies. As you can see, the powder around it doesn't light up, but the rubies themselves do. Oh, I wish you all could see this the way I'm seeing it. It looks so much better off of camera. That is so fucking neat. But yeah, we have rubies. Real fucking rubies made in my microwave. I'll be fucking damned. Ha ha! Fuck yeah.